everyone, welcome to the RK Institute. Today class I will present a demo class on data analyst and we'll see what is roles and responsibility of data analyst and how it will works and what is major rules. Everything we are going to discuss in today's class. Let's get started. First we'll see what and all agenda we have for data analyst. And first agenda is what is data analyst, and second agenda is who can be data analyst, and third agenda is data analyst career scope, and fourth agenda is mode of teaching, and fifth agenda is class execution, and sixth agenda is course of content, and seventh agenda is additional, and eighth agenda is test. And first we'll see what is data analyst? Basically, data analyst is a professional who collects, organize, and interpret and present data to help organizations to make information decision. And what we are doing, we are converting large number of data set to uh, easy to understand visualization. And we have a variety of data sources such as data bases and spreadsheet or software application, and use statistical techniques, and we have analytical tools to extract meaningful insight. And basically what data analyst is doing, it's a playing major role in variety industries, for example finance, marketing, healthcare, e-commerce, and technology, and you can see in college as well, and many other place everyone are using data analyst. And in present market it is in a top position, so what you guys are chosen route is very correct, and you will get good growth as a data analyst, and you will get a good payment as well, means package as well. So please utilize this time and don't give up in any time, guys. It will helpful for you to become a data analyst, and I will help you to become a data analyst. And data analyst will help you to identify the trends and optimize processes and improve performance and make data driven decisions and strong analytical skills. And uh, majorly what data analyst role is, you have to give a good idea to your client, and we have a lot of thinking type of project you guys will get, so please you have to give unique ideas to your client or your managers. And this is how data analyst will work, and we'll see who can be data analyst. First, obviously software IT professional will become a data analyst, and if you are a non-IT professional also you can become a data analyst. And what we have to do, if you are a non-IT background, you have to join the course and you have to learn data analyst course, and means you have to get a certificate. After that you can become a data analyst, and fresher can be apply the data analyst role. And if you are become a sales and marketing professional, you can also become a data analyst, because we used to get sales and marketing related project as well. And bank professionals, same way we are also getting bank related data set as well, so it will help you to become a data analyst and it will help you to analyze the data set. And anyone having passion of problem solving, and anyone interested the intersections of business, and after that if you have a good knowledge in maths, or if you have a good knowledge in data analytic skills and understanding the concept, then you can become a data analyst. And next we'll see data analyst career scope. If you are a fresher, you will get around 5 to 6 lakh package, or 4 to 5 lakh package you will get, and that is the basic, guys. If you are a fresher you will get that much package, and if you want to show 2 to 4 years of experience, you will get around 7 to 10 lakh package. And if you are 5 to 7 years of experience, you will get like 11 to 30. It's not exactly this amount, it's approximate, you will get this much amount, and it's depend upon your interview also, how you are facing interview and how you are answering the questions, and they will consider your communication and your confidence level, everything they will check. Based on that also you will get a good package. So please focus on your interview also, and please focus on your subject as well, guys. And if you have a 8 to 9 years of experience, you will get 14 to 18 lakhs package. So I have told, right, it's again depend upon your knowledge, your skills and your ability. Everything as per that you will get a good package. And this is the your career scope as a data analyst. And next we'll see mode of teaching. We have hands-on practical sessions and case studies we are going to provide, and mock interviews will conduct, and we are going to help you to prepare resume as well. And it will be in online sessions, and hands-on practical sessions also we are going to provide. And any necessaries is there, we will conduct weekend classes also. And doubt clearing sessions also will do. And every end of the class 10 minutes we are going to keep for a doubt clearing session. And still if you have a doubt, without clearing your doubt will not go to next class. And we are providing assignment and test as well. And every day after completing the sessions we are going to provide a small assignment to you guys, and you guys need to work on it, and you guys are submit to us. And end of the course we are going to provide a test to you guys, and it's not a major test, but we are conducting small test. And after that we are going to provide assessment. After every module we are providing assessment, and you guys have to work on it. And after completing this assessment you guys need to submit to me. And this is the mode of teaching. And next, fifth agenda is class executions. And class executions will be first, we are going to start course, and it will be complete online sessions. After that we are going to complete the model, and after that we are going to conduct assessment. After that we are going to do live project and or case studies. Or we are going to first what we'll do, we are going to do one project. After second project I'm explaining project along with me, you guys have to do. And third case studies you guys have to work on it. I will do a cross check about that what you guys are done project. And next we are going to provide job assistant as well. And we are going to provide a WhatsApp group for you guys, and there you will get latest job opportunities. And after that we are going to help you to create a LinkedIn account and Naukri account, and we are going to help you to create a resume as well. And next we are going to provide mock interviews and resume preparations. We are only conduct mock interviews, and still if you are not get job, again and again we'll conduct mock interviews. It will help you to boost your communication confidence, everything. So we will make you to become a comfortable in interview place. And next one is end of the topic is complete course. After that you guys will get a certificate. And this is the our class execution. And after that we'll see course content. Class availability weekends or weekdays. Usually it will be in weekdays. Any if you have any necessary, will conduct weekend class. Or weekdays I can't able to take class, that time I'm going to conduct weekend class. And teacher moding is online, always it will be in online, we are not conduct offline classes. And if you have any doubt, we'll provide a live assistant, and you will get a assistant as well. If I'm not available, you will get another person to clarify the doubt. And next we have additional information, that is hands-on lab. And we are providing study materials, and we are providing data set as well. And what and all other materials is means requirement is there, that also we are going to provide to you. and real-time examples only we are going to provide, and it will relate it to your organization level project. And live project practice also we are going to provide, and at least three live project we are going to do together. First project I will do, second project along with me you guys have to practice, third project you guys have to do, and 100% placement we are going to provide, and 100% assistance also we are going to provide. And we'll get means we have other teammates also, if I am not available they will help you to clear your doubts. And I already told about mock interviews, that also we are going to provide. And still you didn't get job, mm, again and again we will conduct mock interviews, and that too we are researching recent what and all interview questions happen. That type of interview questions only will collect, and that questions only we are going to ask in interviews. And resume preparation means what and all resume important format will be there, that one only we are going to prepare. And we have WhatsApp job support group, we will provide WhatsApp job support group to you, and there you keep on getting job openings details and latest job details you are getting in that group. And dedicated staff during the training program, training in training sessions one person will be there, he will teach overall class he will conduct. If he is not available we have other staff as well, they will help you to clear your doubt or any other issues, maybe sometimes technical issues also you will get. For every problem we have a staff and he will help you to solve your problem. And this is the demo class of Power BI, and if you have any doubt please contact us. And uh, our batch will get to start next week. If you want to join please contact me and I will give more information. For more details please follow my page and I will provide latest update. Thank you, and please wait for next week until upload next video. Thank you, and we'll see you in next video.